Canada is a country known for its cold, snowy winters. But what sets Canadians apart from the rest of the world is their commitment to clearing their driveways and sidewalks. In Canada, it's not just a legal requirement to clear the snow from your driveway and sidewalk. It's a cultural norm. Canadians take their snow removal seriously, and many invest in snowblowers to make the job easier. They don't want anything to impede their daily lives, whether it's getting to work or simply walking the dog. Canadians understand that clearing the snow from their property isn't just for their own convenience, it's for the safety of their neighbors and community. The responsibility for clearing the streets falls on the city, and Canadian municipalities take this task seriously. Snowplows hit the roads as soon as the snow starts falling, working around the clock to ensure the roads are cleared and safe for drivers. In Canada, it's not uncommon to see a city come to a standstill during a major snowstorm. But thanks to the tireless efforts of snowplow operators, emergency responders, and dedicated residents, life goes on. For Canadians, clearing the snow is just another part of winter. It's a way of life that they take pride in. So if you're ever in Canada during the winter months, don't be surprised to see people outside in the early morning hours, clearing their driveways and sidewalks. It's just another day in the Great White North, where clearing the snow is the norm.